Ever pondered how the most unlikely friendships can form in the wild? Let me transport you to a tale set in the heart of the Whispering Woods, where a gentle bear named Bruno and a brave lion named Leo lived. Bruno, a peace-loving bear, reveled in basking under the radiant sun and relishing the sweet honey he gathered from beehives. On the other hand, Leo, the undisputed king of the forest, dedicated his days to maintaining tranquility and harmony amongst the woodland creatures. Suddenly, on a seemingly serene afternoon, the forest was besieged by a blistering storm that ignited a threatening fire. This perilous situation called for immediate action, and Bruno and Leo knew they had to unite their strengths to save their cherished home. Channeling his innate strength, Bruno utilized his powerful paws to dig trenches, halting the fire's spread. Simultaneously, Leo summoned all the forest animals to safety with his thunderous roars. Their courage and teamwork demonstrated that even the most improbable alliances could form an unstoppable force. As the final flames flickered out, the woodland creatures erupted into a chorus of cheers for their saviors. Bruno and Leo exchanged a glance of mutual respect and shared a smile, a testament to the friendship that had emerged victorious against adversity. From that momentous day, the bear and the lion forged an unbreakable bond of friendship. Under their watchful eyes, the Whispering Woods flourished, a testament to their unity and dedication. So the tale of Bruno and Leo serves as a reminder that unity indeed is strength. When we band together, no challenge is insurmountable. So, carry this story in your hearts, and remember, together, we can overcome anything.